Alright, good morning everybody. It's about, well, I got up at about 3 a.m. It's now 4 a.m. Did my pre-trip, checked the oil, checked the transmission, checked my tire pressure, checked my lights, etc, etc. Stopped at the gas station. Since obviously we got the running the Hemi today. Got 25 gallons because we were pretty low on fuel. Since we're going to be running a long distance here, I decided since I don't have like a large fuel capacity tank, maybe in the future I'll get one of those S&B or Titan tanks that I can put like 50-60 gallons in, but in the meantime, we're topped off. I think if I were to run this one dry, it's about 32 gallons, so we're on the road. Says I can go about 370 miles to this tank right now, and obviously that ain't gonna be true. But we're on the first tank of fuel, heading to our first one of 3 stops for our loads today. Be a long drive. It's dark out, so I didn't feel like turning on my cab light so you can see me, so I'll just got you pointed out at the road. As I mentioned in my short, probably got about by the time I'm pulling my driveway and everything Sunday at some point, I've done 1,000 miles in less than 2 days. Got all my sleeping gear in the cab. You never know how much space everything takes up until you start putting everything in that you need. Definitely need that full 4-door crew cab, long bed. Probably deal with a mega cab, short bed or something, but you definitely need a decent sized cab to get out here on the road. Don't have any tips or anything right now. Just got a little over 6 hours before I get to where I gotta be. Got my snacks. Got my hydration. Probably have to stop again somewhere for fuel. Probably in about 3 or 4 hours. But we'll see how we do. Dress comfortably. It's going to be a cold weekend, unfortunately, here in leaving Ohio. It's been 40s and 50s all week, and now it's going to be like 20s and 30s the next couple days. But yeah, when you're driving, dress comfortably. Yeah, whatever, wear whatever you want to wear. Sweatpants, yoga pants. Dress comfortably, dress light. Turn your heater on. No point being all bunched up in a bunch of clothes. That's what the cab heat's for. Turn on your seat heaters and your back warmers if your truck's got that option. I don't. That'll be the next upgrade on the next truck. Make sure we have all those things. As you get older, you find that the bun and the back warmer for the seats, you start using those more for just relief in your back. As you get older, you start getting some of that strain in your back. The warmth helps ease it sometimes. Throw probably a couple time lapse as we run through this drive here. All right. Howdy, y'all. Just an update here. We've been driving since 3-4 a.m. It's now 7:30, so we're a good halfway into the trip, halfway across the state of Pennsylvania. Things are, watch the sunrise, all the big cliffs and mountains, and basically driving through the Appalachians here, so got a rest stop coming up, so we're going to pull off here shortly and get a stretch in, snack, take a break for a few, and then just a good old drive through the country. Traffic is light, just cruising along. We'll be next video I'll work on is posting up about idle time. I see lots of people talk about idling and buying vehicles based on idle time and mileage and all that, so that'll be the next thing I'm gonna probably working on a video of, so tune in. Folks, sorry if it's a little bumpy, the road's less than ideal. Got the my pick number 3 just completed, so now we've got 18 feet of pipe. I already dropped that. That's being stored because I don't want to bring that on this trip. I'll reload that Sunday when I drop all this off here, but yep, got the antique item. We got this tractor loaded up, lawnmower, and then now we're going to pick up this 8-seat golf cart, and then we're done. Find somewhere to shut it down for the evening, go find some food, and just try and just relax for the day, just see what's going on around town, see what's going on in the area that I'm going to end up in Dover at this point. Just going to see what's what. Let's find me some entertainment and call it a day. I might try and put some miles in yet tonight. We'll see. I am at, let's see, trip A, 612 miles. So we've been running. Averaging 12.8. Hemi's doing alright. It's not totally killing me on fuel, but now that I got getting all these items on here, they're gonna add a bunch of wind drag, and it's getting super windy out here now. It was very nice earlier in the day, and it's not nice anymore. It just dropped like 10-15 degrees, and we're like 20-mile-an-hour constant wind plus gusts, so it's cold and it's miserable outside now. Sun's still out, sky's kind of blue, clouds. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We'll do a round of the load here in about an hour. When I get to the next spot, I'll have a little bit of time there to get loaded up. I can do a quick video of everything going on. That's what we got for right now. Good morning, y'all. Heat 60 Hotshot Adventures. We are almost done with our deliveries overall. We've got dropped off a wood grain bin from an antique store out of Bethel, PA. Wood box with the lid, basically. We got just dropped off the Wheel Horse 314 old lawnmower to a gentleman. Super happy about that. Now I'm heading back to my staging area, my house, And I'm going to pick up I unloaded the golf cart this morning. I went home real quick and dropped it off because it was going to be in the way. And the location between my house and where I'm dropping off wasn't far enough to be that much of a difference. So I had a little bit of backtracking. I didn't really care. So, going home to load the golf cart back up and deliver that. And get that delivered here by around noon, 1 o'clock. That'll be my third delivery for today, and then I'm done. And then I got another order I've got sitting in my storage area. It's 20 feet of hydraulic pipe. That's going to one of my direct customers first thing Monday morning before I go to my 8 to 5. And that'll basically be a successful weekend. Ran a lot of miles, spent a lot of money on fuel. But at the end of the day, if you liked your RPMs, your rate per mile, and you like the amount of money you made, nothing to complain about. Yeah, would have I liked to have seen more? Absolutely, but you can only get so much money out of so many things. I mean, you can only twist an arm so much before you break it, and then you lose a deal. You have to figure out what your worth is of what you're hauling and accept it. And sometimes you take a low-paying job to get you from one point to another. Instead of deadheading, you just take a cheap job that'll cover fuel to a more lucrative area. So, I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, we got the golf cart loaded back up. Even though it's still just a golf cart, I still run 4 points of securement. I don't care. Even I probably could have secured it with 2, almost 1 if I really wanted to. Nope, 4 points on it. Called up the guy, told him we'd meet up with him here. Should be there in about 15 minutes. My fuel up took a little longer than I expected. I was almost out of fuel. 60 miles empty. Going from PA just west. And unfortunately, this whole weekend, since I left Pennsylvania Saturday night, there's been a 10-mile-an-hour west wind. So I've been running with a headwind for basically 2 days, and it has destroyed my fuel economy. I mean, I can't complain. I'm at least getting 9, but like, come on, man. This headwind is burning through fuel. It was much nicer though when you had a 10-mile-an-hour tailwind. I was getting like 13 plus. But the Hemi doesn't care, it just uses more fuel. Would I do better with the diesel? I don't know. I'm sure I'd probably be doing a little better. But either way, I mean, it's a 10-mile-an-hour headwind. It is what it is. But yeah, this is my last drop of the day. Get this done. Get paid. Go home and get ready for Monday. And back to our normal work week of finding more stuff to move and hitting the 8 to 5 and hustling, doing what I do best. Thanks for tuning in and tagging along. See you on the next one. Howdy y'all. Just finished our run. We're well over 1,000 miles in the last day and a half. Just dropped off all my deliveries for today anyway. Got a Monday morning delivery. My last delivery here with this guy's golf cart. He's starting out a small business doing golf carts and just basically became a direct customer, and he's got like 8 more carts he wants me to go move for him in the next 2 weeks. So gonna be a busy couple of weeks now. I'm just gonna be bouncing between different sides of Ohio. He's got some work for me, so looking forward to this new client and helping him build his small business while building my own. This is how you do it.